So in this first step, I want to show you Node.js and Git. I want to show you how you can easily install it and where it is for. Where are we using Node.js for and where are we using Git for? For Git, I have a free video playlist on YouTube that will teach you all the basics of Git. So I'm not going to do that in this course, but it is openly, freely available on YouTube, and I will include the link for you so you can follow that. So first, we're gonna install Node.js. And Node.js is basically JavaScript on the server side. And maybe you're thinking, well, I don't want to do server-side things. I only want to do front-end. Well, Node.js is also used to build tools for our automation in your workflow. So that's why we need Node.js. And it is that simple. You can just click and download the installation file. It is available for Windows, for Mac, for Linux, any platform you're using. You can download it and you are able to install it just with a simple interface by clicking. You can also use, if you are already familiar with that, you can also use Homebrew for macOS, and with this command you can just install it, and then later, if you have installed it via the terminal, you can just run brew install Node.js or some other tool. So if you prefer that, it would be very easy to do. So that is Node.js. Also, we need Git. And Git is a free and open source tool that you can use to save every version or of every change you made in your application. So you can always go back one version or two, or maybe from previous years, and it is being used by all the big companies. And maybe you know GitHub, and if you are a developer or learning to be a developer, maybe you're not that familiar with GitHub, and I would suggest you make an account for that and put your work on that. And yes, it is public. You can also make private repos, but if you want to show a future employee, you can just show your code and share it with them. Or maybe if you want to share your code with me, you can just create a repository where you can put all your code in and send it to me so I can check it out and give you some feedback. So it is very important to learn to use Git, and you can use Git just via the terminal, and you can use my free video playlist on YouTube for that, or you can use a GUI for it, and you have a free tool for that, and that is SourceTree, and it is very useful. You can just get your changes via a GUI. You can also use Git Kraken, and that's also a free tool to use, and it made it so easy to use Git. So pick whatever you use. In this course, I'm gonna use the terminal, but if you prefer to use a GUI, please go ahead and make it yourself. So as easy as you can.